Here we go, Bailey. We're making this video so Bailey can show you how strong a cockatoo's beak is. Actually, all parrots are pretty strong. Cockatoos, the bigger birds, like cockatoos, macaws, even Amazons, they can make short work of an expensive toy in just no time at all. And this is how they show you that they love the toy that you've gotten them. They chew it and make splinters out of them. Yeah, while we're down here, just wanted to show you how flat-footed Bailey is. Okay. It's okay, Bailey. You can go ahead and play. You just play all you want to. Yeah. Yeah, you can do it. If we had our old coffee table in here, we could show you the coffee table leg that he took a big bite out of one evening. Good job, Bailey. Yay! Yay! You'll pick it up and throw it? Huh? Pick it up and throw it? Whee! Yay! Throw it, Bailey. Okay, chew it, Bailey. And someday we'll show you our hutch, I guess you'd call it, or a display cabinet that he decided to take a bite out of. That cabinet, by the way, is up here. See it? The back of the red chair. Can't see really everything that he did to it right now because the door is shut. We try to keep it that way. Yeah, so that's what we do. And he's busy for the rest of the 5-minute span.